Today I'm going to show you how to make a bunting out of old books. This is a quick and easy craft requiring only a handful of items. It's environmentally friendly and it's pretty cute. All you'll need are scraps of cardstock, an old book or magazine that you think is pretty, yarn or string, glue, and scissors. Step 1. Make a template out of cardstock or some heavier paper. I'm using a traditional flag template, but you can let your imagination run wild, using hearts, leaves, stars, or any other shape you want. Step 2. Trace your template. If there's an image or a word on the paper that you want to include in your book bunting, make sure that it's covered by your template. I find that the buntings are sturdier if there are two sides to them, so I always fold my paper and place the template at the top of the fold and cut down both sides. Step 3. Cut your template. You can use scissors or an X-Acto knife, whichever you prefer, but because my template shape is really simple, I'm just using scissors. Step 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until you have enough shapes cut out. I usually do an odd number, so like 7 or 9, but that's totally up to you. Step 5. Arrange your shapes on your string. There's no wrong way to do this, but I definitely recommend arranging them on the string before you glue them, so that you can rearrange them if you want. I like to alternate words and images on my bunting, but do it however you prefer. Step 6. Glue your shapes to your string. This is another reason why I like to have a folded two-sided shape, because it makes it easier to glue your shapes to the string. I just use regular Elmer's glue and I make sure that I've covered one side of the shape completely with glue. Then I press the string right into the fold and I press down. Once your shapes have dried on your string, you'll have a completed book bunting. Now you can hang it up and admire your handiwork. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gave you some inspiration on how you can create easy, fun, and environmentally friendly home decor.